When I saw the drones, when you told me drones, I was like, drones? Are you gonna fly them? And then my curiosity drove me and I started researching about them. And drones that save lives, that's like a Superman drone. So yeah, I want to know about that. People tend to tell me I'm different. I don't know why. Because I don't like... Peer pressure doesn't affect me because my friends still ask me why I don't drink. I drink, but I don't like heavy drinking. Yeah. So I'd consider myself a bit different. Yeah. But I'm a normal human being, a normal 19-year-old. I like to cook. I'm not that great. When I see something that I would love to eat or would love to make for someone, I try to study it and then make it. It's one of my passions too. I love to learn. I love to, if I'm interested about anything, I'll go and search deep about it. When I want to learn about something, I go and search about it and then I read everything that I can about it. Because I want to have as much knowledge as I can about things that interest me and things that I want to know about. I like to read books. I read a lot. And then also, yeah, the internet. One of the best inventions so far. So yeah, if you're shooting for something great, shoot for the greatest thing that you could imagine. Even if you don't get there, you'll reach some place you never knew you could get. People are awesome. People are different, difficult to understand. Because I feel like if you don't know the perspective of the other person, it's hard to understand why they think the way they think, why they act the way they act. So yeah, people are interesting. That's the word, interesting. Sometimes it's funny and you look weird laughing alone, but laughing to a conversation that's happening next to you. Yeah, but it's amazing. It makes you learn about people and how people are made, if it makes sense. Yeah. My family is very important. I like it. I like them a lot. Yeah. So I live in Kigali, the capital of Rwanda. It's an amazing place. It's beautiful. That's the word. Like, cause I see other places, pictures of other places, and there's no place like Kigali.